Morning. This time we're going to be looking at how you fix a blind. The slight problem with this blind, the clips on the back have gone, meaning that it doesn't go up and down straight, and yet there's really wonky awful edge. It's quite a quick fix. All we're going to need is a screwdriver to pry it out with brackets and a bag of clips. Got these off Amazon, about £6, came in 2 days. Let's see how we get on. So once it's down, blanching is laying out, extends to its full length, and all the strings pull in, so they go all the way down. It's just a case of then just stripping off all the little broken tabs. So blind works quite easily. You've got these little hooks on the back of the blind, got these little clips that go onto the string. When that's tied in, it's hooked on. When you roll the blind, that's what pulls it up. Fortunately, these are what's snapped. They just wear over time, become loose. Some of them have snapped, so stop the blind going up. So all I'm going to go through now is replace all the hooks that are broken and then attach some more clips onto the line. So now, as you can see, I've moved my hooks over by a grand total of about ½ centimetre, maybe a centimetre tops. If you really wanted to make sure everything was bang in line, you just loosen this screw up here. You can slide the mechanism over. Given that it's about ½ centimetre, I don't think it's going to make too much of a difference for me. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and start threading the cable through. So when you've got your string all threaded, stop it off at the end with these handy little fasteners. You brace your string through the bottom and then slide the wedge in. So once you put the bar up and put it in place, it's as simple as just moving over the clip. That will lock everything in place. And then velcroing the blind back on. There we go. All done. Nice and easy. I think I'll enjoy the rest of my brew.